Welcome to MindXY, your channel for logical thinking and puzzle solving. Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's jump right into a quick math puzzle that tricks a lot of people. Here it is, 25 minus 20 divided by 4 times 2. Now, if your first instinct was to just go left to right, you might do this. 25 minus 20 is 5, then 5 divided by 4 is 1.25, and 1.25 times 2 is 2.5. Seems logical, right? Or maybe you thought to multiply first. 4 times 2 is 8. Then 20 divided by 8 is 2.5. And 25 minus 2.5 gives you 22.5. But here's the thing. Both of these answers are wrong, and it's all because of one simple rule we often forget. The order of operations, or PEMDAS. This isn't just a word, it's a step-by-step map. P stands for parentheses, E for exponents. M and D mean multiplication and division, which have equal priority and must be done from left to right. Finally, A and S are for addition and subtraction, also done left to right. The key trap here? That equal priority for multiplication and division. When you see them together, you must solve them from left to right before you deal with any addition or subtraction. So, we ignore the 25 for a second and focus on this part. 20 divided by 4 times 2. Left to right, 20 divided by 4 is 5. Then take that 5 and multiply it by 2. That gives us 10. Now, our problem is simply 25 minus that result, which is 10. 25 minus 10 equals 15. 15 is the correct answer. The trick is always to isolate and solve the multiplication and division chain first, moving strictly left to right. Now, here's your next challenge to test your skills. What is 16 minus 8 divided by 2 times 4? Think carefully and drop your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed unraveling this mathematical mystery with us, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into math and science. Let us know in the comments what other puzzles we should explore next. Thanks for watching.